Why does your gut microbiome make gas from the foods you eat? Imagine your gut as a busy city filled with tiny workers called bacteria. These bacteria help digest your food, but sometimes they produce gas as a byproduct. You might wonder why that happens and what it means for your comfort. Well, when you eat foods rich in fibers and complex carbohydrates, your body cannot fully digest them on its own. Instead, these leftovers travel to your large intestine, where the bacteria step in to ferment them. Fermentation is like a cooking process where bacteria break down these food parts to get energy. During this process, gases such as hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and methane are created. Most bacteria in your gut live in an environment without oxygen, so they use fermentation to metabolize the food residues. As they do this, they produce short-chain fatty acids, which are good for your gut lining and overall health. But gases are a natural part of this process. Hydrogen gas is the most common, and some bacteria can convert it into methane or hydrogen sulfide, depending on the types of bacteria present and the food you eat. The amount and type of gas you produce depend on your diet and your unique gut bacteria. If you eat a lot of fermentable fibers like inulin or pectin, you may notice more gas because these fibers are like fuel for bacteria. The presence of certain bacteria, such as methanogens, can produce more methane, which can influence how your gut moves and digests food. Other bacteria, called sulfate-reducing bacteria, produce hydrogen sulfide, which can cause bad smells and may contribute to gut inflammation if produced in excess. Understanding this process helps explain why some people experience more gas than others. Managing gas involves balancing your diet and supporting healthy bacteria. Eating prebiotics, which are fibers that feed good bacteria, can help your microbiome ferment food more efficiently with less excess gas. Consuming probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria, might also help by competing with gas-producing bacteria or improving overall gut function. To reduce discomfort, try increasing your fiber intake gradually so your bacteria can adapt. Choose prebiotic fibers that are less likely to cause excessive gas. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or kefir to support a balanced microbiome. If you are sensitive to hydrogen sulfide gas, limit foods high in sulfur, such as certain meats and eggs. Staying well hydrated and moving regularly can also aid digestion and reduce bloating. Remember, producing some gas is a normal part of how your gut bacteria work. It shows your microbiome is active and doing its job. Making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle can help you manage gas and keep your digestive system happy and healthy.